Good evening, everyone. Today we are diving deep into a technology that is changing how the internet reaches your homes. Fiber to the home, or simply FTTH. But by the end of this lecture, you will not only understand how it works, but also why it's so crucial for future ready digital infrastructure. So, what is FTTH? What is FTTH? FTTH is a broadband network architecture where optical fiber runs from a central point directly to individual homes, delivering high speed internet, TV, and voice services. Imagine replacing every copper wire with a hair thin glass fiber that transmits data using light. That's what FTTH is. Instead of signals jumping through old metal lines, they now fly at nearly the speed of light, straight into your living room. Okay, why FTTH? Why FTTH? High speed internet, high speed internet up to 10 Gbps and beyond, reliable and consistent connectivity, ideal for streaming, gaming, video conferencing, lower maintenance. So you are seeing that there are so many advantages over traditional copper wire compared to copper. Sure, ready, scalable, scalability. Think about your daily internet usage. For example, YouTube, Netflix, Zoom calls, online classes, all these need fast, stable internet. With FTTH, we are not just solving today's problems, we are preparing for 10 to 20 years of data explosion. FTTH is FTTH is like upgrading from a donkey cart to a bullet train in terms of data delivery. So now FTTH architecture overview. So we have OLT Central Office, feeder fiber, splitter, distribution, fiber, drop, fiber, ONT. Now, so key terms. Number one, OLT, optical line terminal, sends data from central office. Number two, ODN, optical distribution network, pathway of fiber, splitters. Number three, ONT, network terminal, receiver at customer premises. Think of the OLT as a post office. It sends out packages, data, which pass through sorting centers, splitters, and finally reach your house, ONT. The amazing part is there are no power devices between the OLT and ONT, just glass and light. Now, types of FTTH architecture. Number one is GPON, passive optical network, and number two, ONT, active optical network. ON have no active elements in the path, energy efficient, low cost. Uses power switches, better control, high cost. In real world deployments, PON is dominant because it's cheaper and requires less power. PON is dominant and real. your deployments. Splitters are passive, meaning they don't need electricity. That's why we call it passive. We can further define or explain PON technology, which is widely used in real world deployments. Popular PON technologies. One is GPON. It has a downstream 2.5 bps, upstream of 1.25. That's a problem here. 2.5. XG-PON downstream XGS-PON downstream of 10 Gbps and upstream of 10 Gbps and NG on to upstream of up to 40 gigabits per second and downstream of up to 40 gigabits per second, and upstream is variable 1.25 or 2.5 or 10 up to 10. Think of these like highways. GPON is a two-lane road. XGS PON is a 10-lane expressway. And NG-PON 2 is like a multi-level superhighway. Multiple wavelengths, each carrying data. So uh, I will explain the FTTH components in detail in the next video, inshallah. Thank you very much.